morning students. Let us see exercise problems of 1.3. See this for third one. Express the following rational numbers in the form of decimal using theorem 1.4. Okay, what is using theorem 1.4? Already we explained. If the denominator has powers of 10 or the denominator has not in the form of powers of 10, by simplifying and multiplying the numerator and denominator, we change the denominator into the powers of 10. 10 square, 10 power 4, 10 square, 10 power 5, like that. Then we can express into decimal form. Okay now? That is the theorem. If the denominator not contains powers of 10. So, if the denominator contains 2 power n something, 5 power n, okay, we can change. Okay, let us see here. 13 by 25. Here 25 can be written as 5 square. So here 5 square. To make this denominator as powers of 10, here 5 square. So multiply numerator and denominator with 2 square. Okay. So 13 into 2 square, 5 square into 2 square. Now 5 square into 2 square. 5 into 2 whole square. 5 into 2 is the 10. 10 whole square. Okay. So 10 square is 100. Here 2 square 4. 13 4s are 52 by 100. So here denominator has 2 zeros. So from right to left, 2 digits before point. 0.52. Okay. Now see another one. 15 by 16. Here 16 can be written as 2 power 4. By applying prime factorization, 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Now to convert this denominator as a powers of 10, here 2 power 4 is there. So you have to multiply with 5 power 4. Okay. Here 5 square is there. We multiply with 2 square. So here 2 power 4 is there. We multiply it with 5 power 4. So the denominator should be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. Here 2 power n is there. So multiply with 5 power n. 2 power 4 multiply with 5 power 4. Here 5 power n multiply with 2 power n, 2 square. Okay, are you getting? So that is the process. So here multiply with 5 power 4. So 15 into 5 power 4 by 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 is multiply 5 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is a 25. 25 into 5, 125, 125 into 5, 625. So here 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. That is 2 into 5 to the power of 4. So that is 10 to the power of 4. So 10 power 4 is 10,000. Here 5 power 4 is 625. Multiply 625 with 15. Here see. 625 into 15. 5 5 is a 25. 5 2. 5 2 is a 10. 10 plus 2 12. Write 2 here. 1 right here. So 5 6 is a 30. 30 plus 1 31. Now multiply with 1. 1 5 is a 5. 1 2 is a 2. 1 6 is a 6. Add. You can look here. So here 4 zeros. So from right to left, here denominator has powers of 10. 10,000. 4 zeros. So from right to left, 4 digits before point. 1 2 3 4. Before 9 point. 0.9375. Now let us see here. 7218 by 3 square into 5 square. So to convert into decimal, the denominator should be factors 5 and 2. Here 3 square. So 3 square is 9. So simplify. And numerator and denominator 9. For numerator also 9 is a common factor. So cancel with 9. 9 ones are. 9 8 is 72. So here 1 is there, write 0. 1 bar, carry forward, 18. So 9 2s are 18. Now 802. Denominator is 1 into 5 square, 5 square. Here 5 square, 5 power n. Multiply with 2 power n. 5 square means multiply with 2 square. Multiply numerator and denominator with 2 square. So 2 square value 4. 5 square into 2 square, 5 2s are 10. 10 square. 10 square is 100. Okay. So 802 into 4, 3208 by 100. Here denominator has 2 zeros, 2 digits before point. That means 8 0 before point, 32.08. Now, fourth problem. Express the following decimal numbers in P by Q form. Express the following decimal numbers in the form of P by Q and write the prime factors of Q. What do you observe? Okay, already these two I'll explain. You have to do these two are homework. I will explain you these two. Okay now. So we convert into P by Q form. So this problem reverse. Here P by Q converting to decimal. Here decimal converting into P by Q. So remove the point decimal. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. After decimal, how many digits? 3 digits. So by 1000. Now simplify. So if the numerator and denominator has any common factors, simplify. But let here the denominator has 10,000. That means 1000 has 2 and 5 only factors. But here numerator cannot be cancelled with 2 and cannot be cancelled with 5. So it is the P by Q form. Now let us prime factorize the denominator. What is the denominator? 1000. Prime factorize. 1000 prime factorization. We have with 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 zeros as it is. Now again 5 4s are 20. 0 as it is. 5 8s are 40. So now 2 4s are. Again 2 2s are. So that means 10,000 equal 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5 cube into 2 cube. So here 4 3 1 2 3 by 5 cube into 2 cube. So numerator we cannot cancel with 5, we cannot cancel with 2. Already you know the divisibility rules of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by 2, if the units place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or if it is even number, it is divisible by 2. If any number is divisible by 5, if the units place is 5 or 0, so that numerator cannot be divisible by 5 and 2. So this P by Q form not, this is the simplified form. We factorize the denominator. PQ, this is Q prime factorization. Now see here, it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. There is no end point. It is continuing. So it is non-terminating. There is no end. And here it is a recurring. If recurring means repeating. But after decimal point, if you observe, no digits are repeated. So it is non-repeating, non-recurring decimal. So it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So we cannot express in the form of P by Q. So it is not a rational number. Say you can observe, if the decimal is terminating. If the decimal is terminating, then terminating means here this is a terminating decimal. Then we can convert into rational number. If the decimal is non-terminating, there is non-terminating and repeating, then we can convert into P by Q. Okay. If the decimal is terminating, we can convert into P by Q form, that is rational. If the decimal is non-terminating, repeating, we can convert into P by Q form, that is rational number. So if the terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals are rational numbers. Okay. So do the last two problems, already I explained. Okay. See this. This problem. Assume 43.12 bar. First expand. This is you write x equal to 43.12 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So here period is 1 2 and periodicity is 2. Two digits are repeating. So like this you have to do x equal to 43.1212. So here period is 2. Multiply with 100. 100x equal 100 into 43.1212. So that is 100x equal to, multiplying with 100, decimal moves 2 digits right side. 4312.121212, so and so. Now subtract x from 100x. So that is 43. Decimal right here. So like subtract like this. Subtract 100x minus x, 99x, equal, after from right to left you have to subtract. Here 2 minus 2 0 0 0 0, 2 minus 2 0, you can get 0. So 2 minus 3, we can't subtract 3 from 2, so carry forward 1. 12 minus 3 9. Here 0, again carry forward 1, that means here 10. Okay, now carry forward 1, 10. 10 minus 4 6, here 2. 42 69. So now take this 99x equal to 4269.00, so you can write round figure. So x equal to 4269 by 99. So this we can simplify. 3 3s are, see here the numerator. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here see 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, so 3 1s are 3, 1 carry forward 12, 3 4s are, so 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So again verify 1423 by 33. So the denominator divisible by 3. So verify the numerator. Add the digits. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3. But the denominator is divisible by 11. Let us see it is divisible by 11 or not. 11 ones are 11. 3 carry forward 32. 32 means 11 2s are 22. 10 it is not divisible by 11 also. Okay now. You can verify another divisibility rule of 11 also. So this is the simplified form of converting into P by Q form. Okay. Let us factorize 1423 by this, we can write 3 11s are. Here you can observe there is here the denominator not contains 2, only 2 or only 5 factors or 2 and 5. So that's why this is a recurring decimal. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay.